Hey, back again. Got the air conditioner kind of installed yesterday, maybe not all the way installed, but pretty good. It's gonna leak if it rains right now. I gotta figure out how to seal it. So that's why the generator's running. Just kind of curious how it's gonna do with cooling it down. So that's gonna be running while I work on my fill. So we'll have our city water and our gravity or our non-pressurized fill here. Don't mind this. I thought I was in a different window than I was. And turns out I measured it wrong anyway, so it's a good thing that I did it in the wrong window. Little concerned I might hit this on the way, but we'll see. So gonna get the cutter out, cutting wheel, see what it's like to cut into this, because later I have the water heater to cut in, and it's quite a bit larger, which is fine, maybe, but it's quite a bit larger and I'm a little concerned. It's gonna go over the rub rails a little bit, so but hopefully this goes smoothly and I learn a lot from it on a little bit lower stakes operation. And then we'll cut the water heater into the other panel on the other side. Or so goes the plan. We'll see what reality brings us today. Does it fit? Mostly. The answer is mostly. Fill dish went in okay. It's not locked. Yeah. Non-pressured water and city water. Pretty cool. So now on this side, we're gonna put in the propane heater. At least it's probably going on this side. I've already marked it as if it's going on this side. In my head, it's always been going on this side. So here it is, gonna go on this side. So I'm gonna start with cutting these today. I don't know if I'm gonna go all the way through because I'm gonna have to go into the rub rails some. And I don't know if I wanna go just keep going down, or if I would be better off to split the difference. I just saw today that somebody splits, one of the bus builders I've watched splits the difference, but I don't know, man. I don't really know how this works, this rub rail and what's under it and anything, so we'll take a whack at this. Whew. That's uncomfortable. Just looking for my pry bar. Let's see if I can peel this panel up or not. People talk about spray foam becoming a structural member, right? And you're thinking, yeah, but really, does it matter? How much could it possibly matter, right? Well, I gotta tell you, it is making this not come apart. I don't really know if that's a benefit. Like if there was some sort of incident. But yeah, it doesn't just like peel apart anymore. The only thing holding this together right now that I'm aware of, anyways, is the spray foam, and that is why you wear steel-toed shoes or just closed shoes. Nobody tell OSHA. All right, so I'm in. Now I get to pluck away a good portion of the foam that I worked so hard to install. Yay. It's not quite all the way in yet, because it's still floating. But yeah, like this is the general idea, at least. Sorry. Hey, Josh from the future here, and I wanted to take just a minute to say thank you to all of our subscribers. Because of you, we've donated $1 on your behalf to Charity Water, whose mission is to bring clean and sustainable drinking water to the 770 million people in the world who don't have it. You can be part of that. All you have to do is subscribe. You don't send us $1, you don't give us any money, we don't ask for any money. All you do is subscribe. We put the money in on your behalf, and if we get to the point where the channel gets to become monetized, for the next year we're going to give all of that monetization to Charity Water. So this is our chance to do something really easy, but also make a big impact in the world. So I hope that you'll subscribe and join with us as we try to make the world a little bit better place for some people. Thanks. Looking forward to seeing you again in the future. And we really appreciate all the comments and support that you guys have been giving us. So keep it up, because it's quite the undertaking here. But we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the future.